You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this dinosaur that lived in North America indeed. If you want to learn more names of confusing names of dinosaurs, make sure to stay tuned. I've got tons for you that are super interesting. This one is pretty straightforward once you know the pronunciation. In English it is as Apatosaurus. A-pa-to-saur-rus. The stress goes on the second syllable, the pa syllable. Apatosaurus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.